Hello class 10 children. As you all know, we are doing digital documentation advanced, that is your unit of part B. Now you have to work on OpenOffice.org Microsoft application. Now in this we were doing about how to insert the images and how to modify. Now in the modifying of image, today we will be studying about resizing an image and rotating a picture. Now, why you need to resize an image? It is because if the image is not perfectly fitting into the document, it may be too big or too small. So in those cases, the writer uses the image to resize it. Now to resize the image, what we will be doing is click the picture to show the green resizing handles. Handles means, suppose I have shown you the picture of a flower, and when you click on it, so what will happen, you will be able to see on its four sides these green resizing handles. Now position the pointer over one of these green resizing handles. The mouse pointer changes shape, giving a graphical representation of the direction of the resizing. Now click and drag to resize the picture, whatever is your requirement, and then release the mouse button when satisfied with the new size. The corner handles resize both the width and the height of the graphic object simultaneously. But these four handles, other four besides your corner handles, they only resize one dimension at a time. That will be, they will be increasing their height or the width. So these corner handles, they are resizing the height and the width at the same time, while these other four handles, they are resizing one dimension at a time. Now one tip is there, that to retain the original proportion of the graphic, shift plus click one of the corner handles and then drag. So you want your image to be retained to its original shape. So what you will press, shift key along with one of the corner handles and then drag. What will happen? The image will change into its original size. Now beware that resizing a bitmapped image, it will resizing affects the resolution to some degree. So because when you resize a bitmapped object means an object that is made up of many pixels. So when you resize it, the blurring of image takes place. So it is better to externally size your picture correctly before inserting it into the document if possible for such images. So resizing basically is done in order to make the image to the size desired by you. For more accurate resizing, use either the crop page option, as you cropped earlier, that is, use scale the width and height, image size and original size button. So you crop the image first, then it will help you in better resizing. Now next is rotating a picture. Now why we need to rotate the picture? Sometimes our requirement is we want the picture not in a portrait form but in a landscape form. So that is the requirement of rotating a picture. So there is no tool for rotating. In fact, what you can do is, you will open a new document and you will see your image there. Now from the source from where your image is there, you will select the image. Then in the drawing toolbar, you will select the rotate icon from the effects toolbar. So what you will be doing, in the drawing toolbar, you will open that image and there you will find a rotate icon. You will select that. Then you rotate the image as desired. So while rotating, you will be able to see the red handles. While resizing, there were green handles. While rotating, there are the red handles. So what you will be doing is, you will be rotating the image as desired and use the red handles at the corner of the picture and then move the mouse in the direction you wish to rotate. By default, the picture rotates around its center, but you can change the pivot point as desired. Now select the rotated picture by pressing Ctrl A, then copy the image, that is Ctrl C, and then paste it in the writer document wherever you want the image to be placed. So children, today we have studied about two things in modifying an image. One is resizing and the one is rotating. Now what is the difference between the two? Resizing means making the size of the image small or big according to your need, while rotating means rotating the image to an angle. You want the image in a vertical form or in a horizontal form or somewhat tilted, so that is your rotating a picture. Then in resizing, when we were selecting the image, we were getting green resizing handles, while in rotating the picture, you go to first drawing toolbar, rotate icon, then you will be able to see the red handles at the corners through which you can rotate. So children, this topic notes, once this topic is complete, I will be giving you. So just you need to go through the video and understand it. So that is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day, children.